Hey folks, Easy Rider here. Welcome to my next video. Today I want to make a quick video and show you how to clean the spark arrestor on a 2019 Africa Twin. Stay with me. And welcome back. Second, I'll turn the camera around and go through all the steps you need to clean the spark arrestor on your Africa Twin. There are a few bumps that you may hit, so I'll go over some of the things to watch out for. So here I go. I'm going to turn the camera around. Of course, I can't catch a break today with all my neighbors deciding to do their lawn. Anyway, first thing we do is we take off this plastic cover. It's 2 bolts, 4mm Allen. Take that off, set it aside. Next thing we take off is the heat guard. And that's 2 bolts. One of them didn't want to totally come out. 2 bolts, that's another Allen, and that's a 5mm Allen. Once you do that, you'll see both of the spark arrestors. They're out right now, and they're both 3 bolts on. You'll notice this first bolt right there I broke. Anytime you're working with something hot and different types of metal and stuff, you're going to get corrosion in there. So what I ended up doing after I broke that bolt is shooting it with some PB Blaster and just take it really easy on them bolts. Those bolts were, they were 8mm. Anyway, take all those bolts out. And then you can pull out the spark arrestors. Now here they are. This is after 11,000 miles. And I was expecting them to be totally caked up with gook. And yeah, not so much, man. There's nothing really to clean on them. So, I just brushed them off a little bit. Not that there was anything on it. And I'm going to put it all back together again. Now, when I put it back together this time, I'm going to use anti-seize on all the nuts or screws. Always put high temp anti-seize back on. That way next time around you don't have such a problem. Anyway, it's all pretty simple. Takes a little bit of time. And any questions, just leave them in the comments. Hope this helps you out. Have a great day.